Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning my June 2020 on my bullet journal. Last year, June was designated as the Great Outdoors Month in the US, and I thought it will be a great theme for the month of June. Although I'm not sure if we're observing Great Outdoors Month this year because of the current situation and that some of the parks are closed. You can actually go to the National Park Services website to find out if the national parks close to you are open and still in service, and plan your visits there. Let's start with the June opening page. Here I want to continue the theme I've been using in the past few months, a simple line drawing art. Let's move on to the events page. Here I track all the celebrated days and special events that I don't want to miss. Along with National Get Outdoors Day on June 8th, I found that there are also National Trail Day on June 1st and Great Outdoors Day of Service on June 14th. On National Get Outdoors Day, some of the national parks offer fee-free day to encourage people to get outside and celebrate the day. But on the Great Outdoors Day of Service on June 14th, people are actually encouraged to go outside and contribute to the preservation of natural spaces, raising awareness, celebrating natural treasures, and donating to national parks, etc. would be great activities to do on that day. I found all this information on National Park Services website. I'll link it down below. Besides NPS's resources, I also found great information and activities on National Park Foundation's website. National Park Foundation is the official charitable partner of the National Park Services. Through their website, you can visit the national parks virtually and see beautiful photos, or you can share your own photos from your previous trips and inspire others to go and explore. There are many resources for kids as well, like how to become a junior ranger online. The ones I found really interesting were the park tracks and finding your park quiz. For someone who, like me, who aspires to visit all the national parks in the future but haven't been to many, this quiz really helps identify the ones you want to visit first. I encourage you to take the quiz for fun and also to see if it can give you an idea for your next trip. About the park tracks, this is a collection of natural sounds captured by the National Park Service's Natural Sounds and Night Skies Division. As far as I understand, it's a public domain. The background music used in this video is produced by this division. If you like the sound and would like to download, I'll have the link in the description box. And lastly, I'm doing my weekly pages. If you want to learn about how to use rolling weekly layout, please see the description box for more details. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit bell notification button. See you next time. Bye.